Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So the developer settings on most of the phones allow you to access some features that aren't normally accessed with the normal version of the phone. And it won't necessarily change anything about the phone, it will just provide some new options for you to play around with. And to enable developer mode, what we're going to do is open up the settings, then scroll down to About Phone, tap on it, and then we're going to find software version and just keep tapping on it until a notification pops up, like you're now a developer. It's going to say something like that. So I'm currently a developer. As you can see, you're already one. And now that the developer mode is enabled, we can come back to the main settings, select System and Updates, and then find Developer mode. There we go, Developer Options. So we're going to tap on that. And here you have a few options. So you can either enable or disable developer options. You have some memory information, bug report, screen lock, require your phone to be unlocked before using it. You can disable that. You have a desktop backup password, stay awake, so the screen will never sleep while charging. Charging temperature limit, so it's going to stop charging when your phone gets overheated or something like that. Enable Bluetooth HCI snoop log, so it's going to capture Bluetooth packets and you can display them and see what it's all about. Running services, WebView implementation, enable multi-process WebView. So there are a lot of things to go through, and if you want to play around with those, this is how you enable them. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.